Hey everybody, welcome to week 2 of distance learning and the last day in the quarter. Woo-hoo. All right, so today's video is going to explain the workout today. It's going to be you're doing different things and you're turning in something new. So I suggest watching all the way through to the end, making sure that you get everything accomplished today that you should get accomplished. So starting off, task 1. If you're watching this video, you're off to a good start. Quickly make sure you guys are looking through the gradebook too. Last week in the quarter, I want to make sure that if you guys have submitted stuff that I have graded it. So if there's a question or anything about the gradebook and things you've turned in, please let me know. Okay, I want that all squared away so that you guys can leave the end of the week feeling good. All right, task 2 today. Complete today's cardio workout. You get to pick your difficulty. Task 3, complete the video reflection for 10 points. In task 4, complete the daily check-in by 1 p.m. So it is now open from 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. So as soon as you get on your computer every single day, I suggest you just go in and fill this question out so we can get 100% attendance every single day. Okay, do not forget to do task 4. So task 1, already watching the video. Awesome. Task 2. All right, today's workout is going to be a no running cardio workout. So it should be pretty convenient for you guys at home. You don't need any equipment and you're not going to be running. So the instructions today, you're going to have your iPad or phone, and that's going to help you keep your time of your work to rest ratio. So 2 exercises will be paired up together, exercise 1 and exercise 2. You are going to alternate back and forth between those exercises, okay? And there's 5 pairs of this. So 2 times 5, 10 exercises today. Okay, each exercise should be completed for 3 rounds, and you're going to alternate. So something new about today, you get to choose your level of intensity. So I'm excited to see how this goes. If you want a challenge, you're going to do the more fit option, choice 1. If you want something a little bit easier, you're going to do medium fit, choice 2. And our easiest choice here is going to be our less fit, choice 3. So the only thing different between these 3 choices is how long you're working and how long you're resting. So this is going to be the longest workout. This will be the shortest workout. This will be right in the middle. So for choice 1, you're working for 1 minute and 30 seconds, and then you're resting for 30. So for example, you're going to do exercise 1 for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Then you're going to rest for 30 seconds. Then you're going to do exercise 2 for 1 minute and 30 seconds, rest for 30. Then we're going back to the top, okay, because you got 3 rounds of it. Exercise 1, exercise 2. Exercise 1, exercise 2. Okay, that's 1 round. We have 5 of those. So to figure out what you're going to do for each round, they have been chosen for you. So all of these exercises here have hyperlinks on them. So click on them if you don't know what one of them is. Our option 1 here, this is what you're all going to try to do. If you need something a little bit easier, you can go over to the option 2, which is less challenging, and do that. Okay, it should be pretty similar as far as what the motion is, but it might be an easier version. So round 1 is A, round 2 is B, C, D, and E is round 5. So you're going to do jump rope, and then you'll do your mountain climbers, and then your jump rope, and then your mountain climbers, and then your jump rope, and then your mountain climbers. Done with the A's. Then we're going to go down to the B's. Squat jacks, shuffle and uppercut. Squat jacks, shuffle and uppercut. Okay, and we're going to do that the whole exercise going down. So this is really going to get your heart rate up. So be mindful, maybe look through these and then decide which option you'd like to do. Okay, and then once you're done, I assume you're going to be pretty sweaty, so we're going to do a reflection today that is a video. So it'll be fun to talk to you guys after this when you guys are pretty out of breath. In this one video that you're uploading, you need 3 parts. So the first part, you're going to explain which one you chose, choice 1, 2, or 3, and why you chose it. Okay, part 2, you're going to add 15 seconds of your favorite exercise from the workout and explain why it was your favorite. So if shuttle run was my favorite, I'm going to do that for 15 seconds, record myself. Then I'm going to come back over. I'm going to talk to the video camera about why it was my favorite. And then I'm going to go into part 3 and do 15 seconds of which one I dislike the most. So if I dislike lateral squat jumps, I'm going to do that right for 15 seconds, come back to the camera, and talk about why I disliked it the most. Okay, so 3 parts in 1 video. So again, just saying what your 3 parts should be. You're going to submit this in this assignment tab below. Okay, this is due tonight at midnight. So make sure your video is uploaded, hitting all 3 of these parts, and your daily check-in question is here, okay? This is going to get changed from 7 a.m. to 1, so making sure you're getting it in there by 1 o'clock. If you have any questions, let me know.